In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get to win free Vine tokens on the BingX app. Now, in case you don't know, BingX is giving out 127,500 Vine tokens to some of their new users on the app. So in this video, I'll be explaining to you what this is all about, how you can register for this airdrop, and the tasks you need to complete for you to win this airdrop. And also, I'll be talking about the terms and conditions to win this airdrop. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. And if you are new here, please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. But before I go ahead, if you don't have a BingX account, make sure you use the first link in the description of this video or use the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on BingX. Now, just in case you don't know, the Vine token is a meme coin that is available to trade on the BingX app. And for this airdrop, you can see that we have 7 participants right here. This means that 7 people have registered for this airdrop. It was just released some minutes ago. So that's why I'm making this video as early as possible so you guys can join very fast. I can see right here where it says 127.5k total prize pool. This means that this is the total amount of Vine tokens BingX is giving out to their new users, which is 127,500 Vine tokens. That's a lot. And you can see right here, it says ending in 6 days, 21 hours, 40 minutes. So this means that this is ending in about 6 days. So it was just released some minutes ago. That's why I'm making this video so you can join very fast. Now, for you to win this airdrop, there are some tasks you need to complete, and I'll be explaining them right now. So if I scroll up right here, it's where it says event task. This is the first task you need to complete for you to win this airdrop. Now, there are 3 tasks you can complete for you to win this airdrop, but you don't need to complete all the 3 tasks. Now, for you to win this airdrop, you can decide to complete just one of the 3 tasks, or you complete 2 of the 3 tasks, or you can decide to complete all the 3 tasks. But I'll be explaining all the tasks to you right here. Now, the first one is to deposit at least $100 on the BingX app. You can see where it says net deposit task with price pool 50k Vine. This means that for this task, BingX is giving out 50,000 Vine tokens to their users. And you can see where it says minimum net deposit with USDT in bracket is 100. This means that the minimum amount you should deposit on the BingX app is 100 USDT. And I already have a video now you can deposit money on the BingX app. The link to that video will be in the description below. The video will give you a step-by-step guide on how to deposit on the app. So make sure you check the description of the video below, click the link to watch the video, and follow the steps in that video to deposit $100 on the app. Now, right here, you can see where it says individual share limit with Vine in bracket is 200. This means that once you complete this task, you'll be getting 200 Vine tokens in your wallet. Now, this $100 you are depositing to your wallet, nobody's taking it from you. It is your money, but you have to leave it in your wallet until you get the 200 Vine tokens, which is after 7 days. So just deposit the $100 and leave it for about 7 days or even 2 weeks. So that's the first task. Don't forget, if you don't have an account on BingX, use the link in the description of this video. Now to the second task. So if I scroll up right here, this is the second task. It says first spot trade. Achieve a minimum trading volume of 150 USDT in your first spot trade. Now, what this is saying is that once you create your account on BingX, you should trade with at least 150 USDT in your first spot trade. That's the meaning. And once you do this, you'll be getting 60 Vine tokens in your wallet. So this one is specifically for new users who have never done spot trading on the BingX app before. That's what I'm saying. For you to create an account, use the link in the description below. So once you create your account and you've deposited at least $100, go ahead to your spot trading page and take your first spot trade with at least $150. Now, in case you don't know how to do spot trading on the app, I also have a video to guide you on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. The video will guide you on everything you need to know about spot trading, how to enter a trade, how to exit a trade, how to check your profit, and so on. Again, the link to that video will be in the description below. So once you trade with at least $150 in your first spot trade, then you get 60 Vine tokens. Now, that's the second task. Now, the third task is futures trading. Now, you can see right here where it says accumulate a futures trading volume greater or equal to 15k USDT. What this is telling you is that you should accumulate a trading volume of $15,000 on the futures trading page. That is, you can take multiple trades and then everything should accumulate up to $15,000 that you are using to trade. That's just the meaning. So maybe you have $1,000, just continue to trade multiple times until you've traded with at least $15,000. That's just what they are trying to tell you. And once you do this, you'll be getting 35 Vine tokens in your wallet. So these are the 3 different tasks that you can complete for you to win this airdrop. Like I said, you don't have to complete all the 3 tasks. Just complete at least one of the tasks. Again, for the first one where you'll be depositing at least $100, you'll be getting 200 Vine tokens. For the second task where you have to trade with at least 150 USDT in your first spot trade, you'll be getting 60 Vine tokens. And for the third task where you have to accumulate a futures trading volume of at least $15,000, you'll be getting 35 Vine tokens. So you can see that you just need to complete at least one of these 3 tasks for you to win this airdrop. Now to the rules of this airdrop. Now you can see on the screen, the first one is register is required to participate in the event. Users who trade via API are not eligible for this event. So what I'm telling you is that you must register for you to participate in this event. So just click the link in the description below to create an account on BingX. The second rule is that rewards will only be issued to users who have completed advanced KYC verification. So this means that once you've created your account, go ahead and complete your advanced KYC verification. It will take less than 5 minutes for you to do that. Number 3 is all rewards will be issued within 7 days after the event. So what they are telling you right here is that if you qualify to win the airdrop, you'll be getting it 7 days after the event. Now, rule number 4 is this event is open to users who have never traded on BingX Spot. So this is only for you if you have never traded on the spot trading page on BingX. And number 5 is any improper behavior such as wash trading, trading manipulation, or using multiple accounts to participate will result in disqualification for this event. So if you are trying to create multiple accounts for you to win this free airdrop, you'll be disqualified. And number 6 is BingX reserves the right to the final interpretation of the event. Users involved in unfair activities to get rewards will be disqualified. So these are the rules of this airdrop right here. So once you follow all of these rules and you complete at least one of the tasks I've talked about earlier, then you are qualified to win this airdrop. So that is all for this video. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to create an account on BingX. If you want to learn how to deposit money on the app and also how to do spot trading on the app, the links to these videos are in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.